Hello, good morning traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for educational purpose. Make sure to do your research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Now let's starting off with the updates in commodities market. The overnight soybean oil for the May-month contracts dropped 0.24 points to close lower at 45.35. Ghanaian active palm oil contracts dropped 20 points to close lower at 9098 on previous night sessions. Malaysia's crude palm oil futures on Thursday tumbles, ending a two-sessions winning streak as decline in the river oil and bearish industry outlook pressure the contract. FCPO May contracts dropped 100 points to settle lower at 4511. And the actively traded contracts remain within a sideways consolidations. Here's a minor sideways consolidations, which already been in this range since the 10th of February. In the previous sessions, the markets opened lowers, and the price tested the support line of the range around 4477, which is a low on yesterday before recovering. So we see the sign of recovering after touching the bottom of the sideways consolidations. However, it continued to hovering at the bottom part. I will say here is the bottom part of the sideways consolidations, the lower boundaries. The price is currently moving slightly upside towards the immediate resistance range at 4525 to 4530. So here's the immediate resistance. If the markets break up here, we might see further highs. It is likely to trading further highs towards the next resistance at 4550 to 4555. And then the next one, highest likely to reach 4575 to 80, which is the middle of the bottom. So if the markets trading upwards at the next sessions towards the resistance, the crucial resistance, the middle of the sideway, if here couldn't break up, couldn't moving continue upside, then we might see a selling opportunity over here. However, alternatively, if the markets are not able to break above the immediate resistance at 4525 to 30 range, the price likely to retreat from this level towards the support zone, which is yesterday low around 4480 to 85 range, likely to coming back to this range. And if this line fail to support, then there is a further downside, big chances of further downsides towards 4460, and the lowest likely to see at 4425 to 30 range over here. So just beware of any sentiment change. However, we believe the market's likely to support at this range at the moment. But just beware. So our call for the CPO markets for the morning sessions, long position may be open above 4531 with the target to stay at 4554 to 4580 with the stop loss to stay at 4511. Alternatively, short positions may be open below 4531 with the targets to set at 4507 to 4482 and a stop loss to set at 4551. And next, we are shifting our focus to the index market. The overnight Dow Jones index dropped 193 points to close lower at 43239. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq closed significantly lower on Thursday, dragged down by a sharp decline in chipmaker Nvidia after its quarterly report failed to reignite Wall Street AI-driven rally. Meanwhile, the investors turned their attention to data signaling a slowdown in the U.S. economy. Over in Malaysia, the FMKLI closed lower on Thursday as investors took profit following the previous session's rally. The FKLI March contract month dropped 4 points to close lower at 1564. So from today onwards, the contracts have been rolled over to the March contract So our trader may start to looking at the next month contracts as a active trader contract. So in FKLI chart, the broader views, the daily chart show FKLIs remain trading within the downwards consolidations. And recently, after it reaching the high at 1592 to 91 range, which is also the resistance line of this downward channel, and the index after touching here and trending lower. Meanwhile, in the hourly charts, that indicates the new contract is trading above the support lines about 1560 to 63. Now is below this range. So we see the crucial support at 1558. If we are looking at the uptrends built since the beginning of February, these uptrends and markets correct now back at the moment is holding at a support range. So here is very important that if the market supported over here, there is chances of the index to coming back to the 60 range and next one to the 1570 range. However, if this line support line not able to hold, then we might see the further downside. You can see the downward channels. It is potentials of further downside for these indexes if the support line not able to hold. So just stay cautious of any potential sentiment change. And here's our view for the morning session. As we wrap up, keep in mind that the market is ever changing, and successful trading requires both seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change, protect your capitals, and trade wisely. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.